support for this concert para sa Zaya, para
Yes.
sa fans. Gaano ba sila kahalaga sa inyo? Ano bang meron sa what makes them special?
Sila yung reason bakit may kaya. Kasi yung music namin, talagang isa sila sa inspiration. And lahat ng ginagawa namin, it's for Zaya, it's for the upcoming or gusto maging Zaya. We treat them as our own family. That's why yung connection namin talagang matibay, at saka iba yung chemistry ng Kaya sa Zaya.
I notice nga kilala niyo na sila for me.
Yes. They're very important to us. They're the reason why we're working.
Kaya ba emotional kayo?
Yes.
And,
Hello Zaya, thank you so much for your support, for your love, and grabe talaga yung pinapakita niyong energy sa amin tuwing nakikita namin kayo. Sana huwag kayo magsumuporta sa amin. We'll continue working hard and abang lang kayo sa mga releases namin. We love you! Happy anniversary!